What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to denoise or remove the background noise of a clip in Premiere Pro. Here I have Premiere Pro opened and I have a clip on my timeline of a person working in a wood workshop. If I play it, as you can hear, the sound of the tools is very loud. So to remove or lower the noise, if like someone in the background is talking and I want to remove the background noise or lower it, first choose here the clip and then go to the effects panel. If you don't see it, just click on window and click on effects. Okay, scroll to the top. Let's close this open category. Now you want to go to the search here on top and type denoise. You'll find it under audio effects and noise reduction and restoration category. So let's choose it and then drag it over our clip here, our audio clip. Now if we go and make sure the video clip here is selected and then go to the effect controls panel and scroll down a bit in the audio category, you will find the denoise option and you can custom edit these settings. Now if I try to listen to the video one more time, the noise is still there because all the video has its noise, the video that I selected. And to prove it, I'll play the video here with the denoise effect applied, and then I'll turn it off while I play the video, and you see that the noise becomes louder. So let's see. As you saw here, when I turned off the effect, the noise became much louder.